Good morning, everyone. My name is Andrea, and welcome to this Tropical Yin Yoga session filmed on the breathtaking beaches of Martinique. Let the sound of the ocean waves and the gentle Caribbean breeze guide you into deep relaxation. This practice is designed to help you unwind, release tension, and connect with the beauty of nature. We are going to start in a cross-leg position, so just sit up on the blocks if you need to, lift the chest, lengthen the spine, and then we're going to slide the left hand away from us, so lean to the left, and you can reach the right arm up or over your head, or you can bring it down to your hip. We're going to stay here for 2 minutes and just enjoy this nice posture. I hope you're still okay. Just very gently lower the arm down and sit up and just move your shoulders, move your legs. Now we are going to stretch a little bit. We're going to lean forward a little bit, but if you need to change your feet, please do so. And we're going to stay here for a moment, just a few breaths. This should be enough. Very slowly sit up, and then we're going to bend the knees, bring the hands behind you, and gently move your knees from side to side. You can look the opposite way as well. You don't have to. And I hope you're smiling. I hope your hips feel good. Now we're going to sit in cross-leg position again. You don't forget to change your feet, and then slide the right hand away from you. You can reach the left arm up or over your head, or you can bring the hand to your hip, and we're staying here. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring the hand down, lift the chest, and again, just stretch a little bit, move a little bit, do what you need to do for a moment. And then again, we're going to sit up, bend your knees, hands behind you, and then move your knees from side to side. So we're just bringing a little movement into the hips. I hope they feel happy. And then we're gonna come to all four position. If you need a little extra cushioning under your knees, you can do that. You can come into downward facing dog or stay in all four. And we're going to lift one leg up and slide the knee in between your hands. We're coming into the one-legged pigeon. As you inhale, lift the chest. And then as you exhale, let's lean forward and relax. You can put your elbows on the blocks, on pillows. Get comfortable with staying here. Perfect. And then very gently come up. And let's try to get out of it. You can come to all four or just sit for a moment. If you need a little rest, have a little rest. If you're ready, slide the other knee in between your hands. And then we're going to take a deep breath in. And on exhalation, we're leaning forward, relaxing in one-legged pigeon again. leg and just very slowly come out and just move your legs a little bit. I really hope that your hips are feeling good, your lower back is feeling good, your spine is feeling like new, and you can just come into any comfortable position wherever you can. Relax for a moment. I'm gonna stay in a seated position because it's too much sand around me. But you lie down and just close your eyes for a moment. Take a few deep, refreshing breaths and just let go of all your thoughts, all your expectations. Enjoy this short time of peace and stillness. And I hope that you're feeling very, very good and you are ready to begin to move again. So just very slowly start to move your hands, your feet, your head. And gently bend your knees. Rock your knees from side to side. And just gently roll to one side and push yourself up. And just get into any comfortable seated position. And I really hope you're feeling good. Feeling stretched and relaxed. I hope your mind is clear. And I hope you're ready to continue this beautiful day. As you inhale, slowly circle the arms up. Feel your body. Bring your palms together. And as you exhale, bring the hands just in front of your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in this beautiful tropical setting. I hope you feel refreshed and deeply relaxed. And just let me know in the comments if you would like more yoga videos from breathtaking beaches, because I've got plenty of them ready for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel if you can. See you in the next session. Namaste.